Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2017 Dodge Ram pickup. Tools needed for the install is a 1/4 ratchet with a long 10mm socket, trim remover, and a panel popper. Now let's get started. Okay, go in and open up your hood. First thing we're gonna do is remove the radiator shroud along with the 4 plastic push pins securing it. Start with this outside one. Here's number 2, number 3, here's number 4. Next, remove 4 10mm bolts securing the top of the grille. And then from here, we're going to unseat the grille by unclipping it on the sides. Moving to the front passenger side wheel, behind the headlight, there's an access cover on the wheel liner. You're going to unclip it open. You're going to reach in. You're going to find the latch securing the back of the headlight, and you're going to push up to release. Next, remove 2 10mm bolts securing your headlight. From here, you're gonna grab your headlight firmly on this corner, and then you're gonna pull your headlight straight back. Okay, we're gonna disconnect the turn signal and parking. You're gonna slide back the red clip to unlock it, press on the tab, disconnect, and you're gonna unclip your harness. Now we're going to unclip the high beam and low beam, and to unplug it, you're going to slide back the red clip. To unlock it, press on the tab, disconnect. Okay, so on the back of the headlight, this piece here falls into this slot here. And then this is the latch that locks it in place. So this is the lock position, and this is the unlock position. Okay, you're gonna bring over your Spyder headlight. On the back, you're gonna plug in your parking and turn signal. Make sure it clips in place. And you're gonna slide the red clip in place to lock it. For that, you're going to plug in your high beam, low beam, clip it in place, slide the gray clip to lock it. Now this ball joint here snaps into this slot, and then remember this piece falls into this slot so that you can lock it in place with the latch. Okay, from here you're gonna tuck your harness out of the way so it doesn't get pinched. You're gonna line up that ball joint, drop it into the slot, then you're gonna reach over to the back and latch it. Now we could reinstall the 2 10mm bolts securing your headlight. Moving to the front passenger side wheel, you're gonna reach in, find the latch, press down on the latch to secure the back of the headlight, and then you're gonna put the cover back on. Now repeat the same steps on the driver's side. You're going to reinstall your grille. Make sure you line up your clips with the holes. And then reinstall your 4 10mm bolts. Next, reinstall your radiator shroud. And reinstall the 4 push pins securing it. Now that we're finished installing our headlights, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.